Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share this cute little card with you. And it's for hashtag Two Crafters One Design, as well as Saturday Morning Makes. Make sure you use the links down below to Gloria, Girliest Cards, Lisa, You See Why I'm a Diva, and Jillian Norwood, which is the host for Sat Morn Makes or Saturday Morning Makes. And that's where we all show what we have been creating throughout the week or today even. So make sure you use those hashtags. I will have the link to our next subject down below in the description box. So make sure you check that out. Let's just jump right in. All right, so this is the file that I use from the Silhouette Cameo, and it'll show up right about now. And this is how I created it. All right, and the only thing I had to do was add that little bitty enamel dot there, and I used this little flower punch, which is from EK Success. And I've had this for a many year. But I thought the strawberries needed some form of flowers on there. And so I added them on there. I did ink up everything. So I inked up all of the strawberries in the little basket, except for this. I did not ink up that or the flowers, but I thought it turned out so pretty. I love the flowers. Now this was like a 5x7 card, but I just made it into the size that I wanted, which was a little bit smaller than what I actually wanted it. But I love the cuteness of it. It's really cute. And so, yeah, about 4.75. And it's about 3¼ inches wide. So it's a little smaller than an A2 size card. But I really like how it turned out. And you can see all of the inked edges and things on that. So pretty. But I thought about making the A2 size one, the 5x7 one. But I just decided just to go with this one only. But I love it. Tell me what you think. Make sure you go over and visit everybody's channels, which I have those links linked down below. And thanks so much. You all have a blessed and crafty day.